The Secrets of Egypt. In the heart of Egypt, by the banks of the river Nile, lived a young explorer named Layla. Layla loved to discover the secrets of ancient Egypt and the beauty of nature. One day, her grandfather gave her an ancient papyrus map. The map showed the location of a lost oasis. Layla set off with her faithful camel, Sahara. They crossed sand dunes shimmering under the sun, passed by ancient temples, and took breaks on the lush banks of the Nile River. During their journey, they met a wise old man. His name was Ahmed, and he knew all the secrets of Egypt. Ahmed gave Layla clues to find the lost oasis. Following Ahmed's clues, Layla finally reached a secret passage. The passage was hidden behind a giant palm tree. They entered with excitement. At the end of the passage was a dazzling oasis. It was surrounded by a crystal-clear lake, lush palm trees, and colorful flowers. In the middle of the oasis stood an ancient temple. Layla entered the temple. The walls were adorned with paintings of ancient Egyptian gods and goddesses. In the center stood a chest with hieroglyphs on it. Layla began to decipher the hieroglyphs. The letters formed a poem describing how intertwined Egypt's nature and history were. As she read the poem, the chest slowly opened. From inside, a glowing lotus flower emerged. The flower spread a wonderful fragrance all around. Layla took the lotus flower in her hand. At that moment, she felt all the beauty of Egypt in her heart, both its historical riches and the unique gifts of nature. Layla had solved the secret of the oasis. Egypt's true treasure was not gold or jewels, but the harmony of its history and nature, and it was now her duty to protect this treasure.